After the unboxing, the first step. Place the charging base back to wall. Keep the robot's docking and departing path clear of all obstacles. Next step. Install the RTK reference station. If your charging base is placed indoors, the RTK pole must be set up to 3 meters away from any wall. This spot is ideal. There is enough space around the RTK reference station, so the GPS. After the unboxing, the first step. This step takes some brutal force. Next step. Install the RTK reference station. Now we can put the machine into the place. An important notice: remove the wheel stoppers. This spot is ideal. There is enough space around the RTK reference station, so the GPS.